In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a title in Google Sheets document. If you want a clear title to appear at the top of every page when you print or export a sheet, the fastest way is to add it through the print setup. Start by opening your Google Sheet. Go to the top left corner. Open the File menu and choose Print. This switches you into the Print Preview and Settings screen. On the right side, you'll see a panel with all the formatting options for printing. Look for the section labeled Headers and Footers and click it to expand. The simplest option is to use the built Phaeton workbook title. Check the box for workbook title. This places the file's name in the header of each printed page automatically. It's quick, consistent, and it updates if your file name changes. As soon as you check it, glance at the preview on the left. You should see the title appear at the top, so you know exactly how it will look on paper. If you want more control over the exact text or where it sits, you can customize it. In the same Headers and Footers section, click Edit Custom Fields. A header and footer layout will open with 3 boxes at the top, left, center, and right. Click in one of those header boxes to pick the position you prefer. Then type your title exactly as you want it displayed. This is perfect if you need a shorter name, a department label, or any wording that differs from the file's name. When you are happy with the text and placement, click Confirm. That applies your custom header and returns you to the Print Settings panel, where you can double-check the preview to make sure the title looks clean and aligned. Remember, the workbook title option is best for set and forget consistency, while Edit Custom Fields gives you precise control over the wording and position. Either way, you are adding a professional, readable title to every page without touching the data on your sheet. If your sheet runs across multiple pages, that header repeats on each one, which helps keep packets organized and easy to identify. You can always return to Edit Custom Fields later if you need to adjust the text or move it to a different header box. The preview updates right away so you can confirm the change before printing. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.